The Big Bang theory is known as the leading concept of the origin of the universe. Today, astrophysicists have shown that this theory exactly matches the phenomena observed in the universe for centuries. It is a solid foundation that helps us understand how the universe began 13.7 billion years ago. It all started with the Big Bang theory, which says that everything happened at the same time. Understanding everything before the Big Bang is a mystery. But recent photos taken by James with the Webb telescope suggest that the Big Bang may never have happened. Causing panic among cosmologists. How do these images suggest the errors of the Big Bang theory? We examine the evidence provided by the telescope itself to dispel doubts. The potential benefits of the James Webb Space Telescope outweigh the risks associated with its launch. No other scientific instrument has held so much promise to improve our understanding. Scientists around the world have been waiting their turn to use the telescope since it was declared operational. None of them expected such shocking discoveries. The James Webb Space Telescope had already captured images against the Big Bang theory. The notion that the universe was born with the Big Bang is deeply ingrained in the imaginations of millions. However, this theory is not as solid as most people believe. Many scientists, including atheists and natural scientists, admit that the theory has serious flaws. The latest photos from the James Webb Space Telescope have confounded even those who strongly believe in the Big Bang theory. The Big Bang theory arose from the work of priest and astronomer Georges Lemaitre, who proposed in 1927 that he argued that the entire universe has expanded to its current size and may continue forever. A few years later, the astronomer Edwin Hubble provided evidence to support this theory, that other galaxies are moving away from us and that distant galaxies are moving faster than nearby galaxies. As a result, astronomers concluded that the universe is still expanding, as Lemaitre predicted. According to the Big Bang theory, the cosmos was created as a collection of small hot particles that mixed with light and energy. As the energy grew and took more of it, the small particles stuck together to form stars and galaxies that we see today, creating an incredible cosmic spectacle. Other objects, such as asteroids, comets, planets, and black holes, were formed when new stars were formed and destroyed. All of this happened over 14 billion years. But what if the Big Bang hadn't happened? Most scientists are reluctant to explore this idea because it's a cornerstone of modern astronomy. The James Webb Space Telescope has caused havoc with its recent photos. Now cosmologists across the world is trying to explain why the images from the James Webb Telescope do not match the Big Bang theory. The James Webb is designed to observe the electromagnetic infrared spectrum. Since light from very distant galaxies falls into this spectral region, our legendary telescope should be able to take more detailed pictures of these galaxies. According to the Big Bang theory, it took more than 13 billion years for the light emitted from the most distant galaxies to reach Earth. Therefore, we should see these incredibly distant galaxies not as they are now, but as they were more than 13 billion years ago. As a result, we should see galaxies in the process of their formation, even if they are not fully developed. But this expectation is often questioned, and preliminary results from the James Webb Space Telescope confirm this model. Preliminary results suggests that large, bright galaxies evolved earlier than the Big Bang was postulated. If proven, it would radically challenge current cosmological beliefs. Many of these galaxies appear to be more massive than the standard cosmological model, which ignores the composition and evolution of the universe. To be fair, These are only preliminary results that have not yet been confirmed, but they are clearly. "I'm a little worried about what we're finding in the James Webb images," said cosmologist Richard Ellis. Images from the James Webb Telescope show an unusually large number of compact and ancient galaxies that seem to contradict the Big Bang theory. Let's look narrowly. As the cosmos expands, we see a strange optical illusion. In reality, galaxies and other naturally occurring cosmic objects do not appear to decrease in apparent size as they move away from them. They should grow exponentially above a certain threshold. Think about it, galaxies are getting closer as they move away from their apparent luminosity. This is in contrast to how things appear in unexpanded space, where distance has the opposite effect and objects appear smaller as they move further away. It cannot be denied that scientists analyzing the Webb images found small galaxies. Compared to the Hubble images, the Milky Way appears larger galaxies with luminosity and mass said to be 2 or 3 times smaller. Such activity of the expanding universe is quite unexpected. If the universe is not expanding, the galaxies observed by the James Webb Space Telescope have the same size as the nearest galaxies, and the redshift is proportional to distance. According to the Big Bang hypothesis, these are very distant galaxies. This strange observation challenges our current understanding of the evolution and structure of the universe. How far away galaxies appear to be significantly smaller than expected, opening up a new field of research in cosmology. Scientists are now hotly debating the possible implications of this apparent discrepancy in galaxy size can indicate a variation in the fundamental laws of physics on a cosmic scale, raising questions about the accuracy of our current models. Others suggest that the shrinking size of distant galaxies observed by the James Webb Space Telescope may be due to unknown factors or phenomena that are not yet understood. The possibility that our theories of galaxy expansion and evolution are incomplete or incorrect has attracted much interest. For the scientific community, James Webb Space Telescope mission has become a beacon that illuminates the deepest mysteries of the cosmos, challenging us to re-examine and transform our fundamental understanding of how the universe works. Astronomers continue to carefully analyze data from the James Webb Space Telescope to find more evidence to shed light on this cosmic mystery that takes us one step closer to understanding the true nature and evolution of the universe we find ourselves in.